Welcome to Milk Masters on the Move. I'm Chef Andrea.
And I'm Chef Charlotte.
Today, we aren't in a fancy or fully stocked kitchen. Instead, we're in a cozy cabin up north. And we're gonna share delicious, local dairy-inspired recipes and show you just how easy it is to cook with milk or dairy wherever you are. I'll be starting with hearty and energizing cheesy sheet pan quesadillas, all before Chef Charlotte figures out how to make coffee without a coffee maker.
I should probably take a look around.
I think you should. Yeah. Let's go. All right, let's get started. To start the cheesy sheet pan quesadillas, we're gonna start with 8 eggs. We've got our eggs in the bowl, and now for the star of the show, fresh, high quality local milk. We're gonna put about half a cup of 2% milk. The dairy is gonna make it super delicious and super fluffy. Once those are whisked up, we're gonna go right into our pan with some delicious local butter. Butter makes everything better. It just makes those eggs super luscious and creamy. It's really irreplaceable. Now it's time to add the scrambled eggs. Come on. Guys, epic, right? Dairy and eggs, it's like a match made in heaven. So now that our eggs are almost set, it's time to fold in that delicious cheddar cheese. It's gonna be ooey gooey. You really can't make a quesadilla without cheese anyways, and this is gonna take it to the next level. Now that the scrambled eggs are done, it's time to assemble those cheesy sheet pan quesadillas. Of course, we've got to start with local cheddar cheese because you need something for those eggs to stick to so everything turns out perfectly delicious and cheesy. Using local Ontario cheddar is a no-brainer. The flavor is next level and it really is irreplaceable. Char, are you around here somewhere? I really need some coffee. Like, I'm jonesing over here for coffee.
Yeah. Okay, I'm looking for something to boil water. I think I found the kettle of my dreams, okay? I can't find, like a coffee maker, but, okay, wait, I think maybe this mortar and pestle.
Okay, now you're getting somewhere. You're getting somewhere. This seems like a big undertaking.
Well, I like a challenge.
All right. I think you've got this, though, Charlotte. I think you've got this. Now we're going to assemble our quesadillas. We're going to take just a little bit of that scrambled egg mixture and put it on one side of that cheddar cheese laden tortilla. This recipe is so easy. You could even make the scrambled eggs ahead of time and get ahead of brunch. Okay, this looks perfect. All we have to do now is take those tortillas and fold them over on themselves and just give them a little press. Now it's time to get them into the oven where they're gonna be crispy and delicious on the outside and ooey gooey in the center.
Okay, I think it's time to make coffee. I found the right element.
You did.
So
Okay,
good start so far. Yes, chef. Let's see what I can do here with these beans.
That seems like a lot of work, Charlotte, with those beans.
For you, anything. Seriously. Okay, I'm gonna use this vessel. It's sort of like a rustic fireside coffee. This is gonna just infuse. And I think I can take this beautiful 2% milk and make a little cold foam. Shall we try? Let's try that.
All right, time to check on those quesadillas. Ooh, look at that ooey gooey little cheese skirt on there. And again, those eggs are beautiful and fluffy from the addition of that local 2% milk. Look at these bad boys.
Okay, wish me luck. Oh, it's working. With this little cold foam, it's gonna be so good. This is yours. It's so good.
Thank you.
My turn. My turn.
All right, Charlotte. Mission completed.
Is it good?
Challenge completed. Yes, it's good.
Excellent.
All right, let's garnish these guys up. So, of course, I cannot have a quesadilla without this beautiful sour cream. Honestly, I could go through a whole pint myself, but it's luscious, it's delicious, it's creamy, it's totally dippable with those delicious cheesy quesadillas. But of course, just to gild the lily a little bit of fresh salsa on top of that sour cream. Don't judge me on the amount of sour cream I'm using here.
I was gonna say the same thing. I like a lot of dairy in mine.
Right? Yeah. Honestly, you really pulled it off with this coffee.
It's my barista training and practice here, so this is beautiful, thank you. I love how much sour cream I'm able to use in this recipe.
I mean, it really is easy to make this anywhere you are. You know what I mean? It's
Yeah,
like
anywhere.
that local delicious cheddar brings it together. That milk makes it super creamy and fluffy. All right, let's do this, Shar.
I'm so hungry. Beak is so good. The cheddar, ooey gooey.
That butter makes those eggs super fluffy. The quesadilla is crispy.
Got the crunchy bit in the end.
Totally
The sour
delicious.
cream is knocking it out of the park, girl.
Be sure to check out our next episode where we're gonna make the perfect mid-afternoon snack. And find these and all other recipes at milk.org. Cheers.
Let's do it, girl.